Hi, this is your step-by-step guide in operating sets. Let us consider these three sets here and start first with the union of sets. As for the union of set S and T, we need to combine all elements. After which, we need to remove any duplicates. Therefore, the union of set S and T is a set containing 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next is the intersection of sets. How about the intersection of set S and set T? As for the intersection, simply look at what is the common element between the two sets. The next operation is the difference of sets, or the set difference. What is S minus T? First, we need to write the elements of the first set S containing 1, 2, and 3. And then, we remove the elements that is found in set T. That is 1. In short, S minus T is a set containing 2 and 3. As for the last set operation, the set complement, we are going to consider the universal set. So we have set U here, and a set of X, such as X is a whole number from 1 to 5. So we simply write all the elements in roster form. As for the complement of set S, we remove what is found in the other set. Therefore, the remaining set containing 4 and 5 is the complement of set S. This is a step-by-step guide in operating sets.